Greetings from Edu Aspirants, our YouTube channel to ace academics, competitions, entrance exams, as also enrichment of knowledge. In the series of videos on India in chapter 20, this is the second of 5 videos on industry. Performance of selected industries. Cement. Cement is one of India's most technologically advanced industries. India is producing different varieties of cement like ordinary Portland cement, Portland Pozzolana cement, Portland blast furnace slag cement, oil well cement, white cement, and others. Cement cannot be sold in the country without BIS mark. You know what is BIS? Bureau of Indian Standard. India is the second largest manufacturer in the world after China. Ceramic industry. The ceramic industry in India is about 50 years old. It comprises ceramic tiles, sanitary ware and crockery. Ceramic products are manufactured both in the large and small scale. India ranks third in terms of production and consumption of tiles in the world after China and Brazil. Tire and tubes industry. Indian tire industry consists of 39 companies with 60 tire manufacturing plants. The large tire companies are MRF, Apollo, JK, SEAT, Goodyear, Modiram. Three Indian companies, MRF, Apollo and JK Tires, are in the list of top 25 global tire companies. The Indian tire companies export tires to over 75 countries. So we now know that MRF, Apollo and JK Tires are big companies and Indian. Rubber goods industry. The rubber goods industry excluding tire and tubes consists of 4,550 small and tiny units generating about 5.50 lakh direct jobs. The industry manufactures rubber coats, aprons, footwear, rubber hoses, cables, camelback, battery boxes, latex products, conveyor belts, surgical gloves, balloons, molded goods, and many other products. The main raw materials used are natural rubber, synthetic rubber, carbon black, rubber chemicals, and might be some other raw materials locally available. Paints and allied products. The paints and allied industry, which has been exempted from compulsory licensing, mainly consists of paints, enamels, varnishes, pigments, printing inks, and the like. These play a vital role in the economy by way of protecting national assets from corrosion. Glass industry comes under the category of delicensed and covers 7 items such as flat glass, including sheet, float, figured, wired, safety, mirror glass, glass fiber and glass wool, hollow glassware, laboratory glassware, table and kitchen glassware, glass bangles, and other glassware not covered here. Demand for glass fiber products has grown due to growth in petrochemical sector and allied products. Paper industry. सर्व शिक्षा अभियान SSA, राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान RMSA, inclusive education for the disabled at secondary level IEDSS, adult education, right to education, and central government scholarship and education loan scheme assured a robust demand for paper and paperboard. The industry is delicensed and FDI, foreign direct investment, up to 100% is allowed on the automatic route for the pulp and paper sector. The per capita consumption of paper in India is about 13 kg, although the world average is much higher at 58 kg. So we can, with this, understand the state of affairs of only one aspect, that is education. paper is used in other things too. Paper and paperboard segment. Indigenous paper and paperboard segment produces all the main varieties of paper that are in demand in the market, which are writing and printing paper about 38%, packaging grade paper 53%, newsprint 8%, and specialty paper, coated security and check papers are imported. So specialty paper mostly is imported. Newsprint. The newsprint sector in the country is governed by the Newsprint Control Order NCO 2004. The mills listed under the schedule of this order are exempt from excise duty subject to actual user condition. There are 123 mills registered under the schedule to the NCO. Nearly half of the newsprint demand in the country is met by imports. Salt industry. India is third largest producer of salt in the world after China and USA, and second largest producer of iodized salt next to only China. So these places, first, second, third place, producer, exporter, consumer, all these are important for exams. Explosives. There are over 74 factories in the medium and small sector engaged in the production of explosives. Light electrical industry sector. The light electrical industry includes goods like electrical wires and cables, transmission towers, cranes, lifts and escalators, refrigerators, washing machines, air conditioners, storage batteries, dry cell battery, electric lamps and tubes. Electric wires and cable industry manufactures a wide range of communication cables such as jelly-filled telephone cables, optic fiber cables, local area network cables, switchboard cables, coaxial cables, VSAT cables, electrical cables. These are electrical wires, winding wires, automated battery cables, UPS cables, flexible wires, low voltage power cables and EHT power cables. Light engineering industry sector. This industry includes mother of all industries like castings and forgings to the highly sophisticated microprocessor based process control equipment and diagnostic medical instruments. This group also includes industries like bearings, steel, pipes and tubes, fasteners, etc. Let us see about the roller bearing industry. Roller bearings are essential components in the rotating parts of virtually all machines such as automobiles, electric motors, diesel engines, industrial machinery and machine tools, etc. Light engineering industry sector continues. Ferrous castings are pivotal to the growth and development of engineering industries since these constitute essential intermediates for automobiles, industrial machinery, power plants and chemical and fertilizer plants. Indian foundry industry is the third largest in the world. The salient feature of the foundry industry is its geographical clustering. The Coimbatore cluster is famous for pump sets castings, the Kolhapur and Belgaum cluster for automotive castings, Rajkot cluster for diesel engine castings and Batala and Jalandhar cluster in Punjab for machinery parts and agricultural implements. Important places to remember as clusters also. C. Process control instrument industry covers wide range of instruments and systems required for monitoring and measurement of physical, chemical and biological properties. They are used for measurement and control of process variables like pressure, temperature, humidity, liquid level, flow, specific gravity, chemical composition including pH and many forms of spectrometry and spectrophotometry. Their importance is significant in high cost, large and sophisticated process industries like fertilizer, steel, power plant, refineries, petrochemicals, cement and other process industries. D. Seamless steel pipes and tubes are produced in different sizes. These pipes are used for aircraft, missile and anti-friction bearings, ordnance, etc. Ultra high strength and corrosion resistant properties make these perfect for oil and gas industry, chemical industry, and automobile industry. The industry is able to manufacture tubes up to 14 inches outer diameter. Electrical resistance welded ERW steel pipes and tubes are available in various qualities, wall thickness and diameters of the finished pipes. These pipes are used in fencing, lining pipes, oil country tubulars. What is oil country tubular? Oil country tubular limited is a processor of a wide range of oil country tubular goods required for the oil drilling and exploration industry. Also, scaffolding, water and gas conveyance. Submerged arc welded SAW pipes are of two types, namely longitudinal and helical welded saw pipes. Longitudinal saw pipes are preferred where thickness of pipe is more than 25 mm and are used in high pressure gas pipeline. Helical welded saw pipes are used for low pressure applications. Fastener industry in India is classified into two segments, high tensile and mild steel fasteners. High tensile and mild steel fasteners broadly include nuts, bolts, studs, rivets and screws. Mild steel fasteners are primarily manufactured by the unorganized sector, with high tensile fasteners require superior technology and are dominated by companies in the organized sector. Automobile industry accounts for bulk of the total demand of this industry. Consumer durables and railways are the other primary users of the high tensile fasteners. F. Forgings are intermediate products used widely by original equipment manufacturers in the production of durable goods. The Indian forging industry can be categorized into large, medium, small, and tiny. Industries that depend on forgings are automotive, agricultural machinery and equipment, valves, fittings, and petrochemical applications, hand tools and hardware, off-highway and railroad equipment, general industrial equipment, ordnance, marine, and aerospace. The demand of forging industry is in the automobile industry. G. The bicycle industry of India is one of the most established industries. After China, India is the second largest bicycle producer of the world. Most of the manufacturing units are located in Ludhiana, Punjab, and Tamil Nadu, which are the major bicycle production hub. H. The Indian market for food processing machinery is rapidly growing, and the most promising areas of growth are fruit and vegetable processing, meat, poultry, dairy and seafood, packaged/convenience food, soft drinks and grain processing. The machinery manufacturers have honed their expertise in manufacturing dairy machinery and other core equipment of food processing machinery. Packaging machinery industry. Some of the commonly available packaging machinery includes machines for coding and online printing machines, feeding and labeling machines, strip packaging, form fill and seal machines, carton filling, fully automatic bag making machineries, and automated microprocessor controlled packaging machines. J. Water pollution control equipments broadly include wastewater treatment plants, drinking water treatment plants, and effluent treatment plants. The complete plants are manufactured mostly in the organized sector, and many types of equipment are manufactured in the MSME sector as well. K. Air pollution control equipments are broadly classified under the categories settling chambers, cyclone and multi-cyclones, bag filters, wet scrubbers, spray tower, venturi scrubber, ionizing scrubber, and electrostatic precipitator. L. Industrial gears comprise mainly gears and gearboxes. Gears serve two basic purposes: increase or decrease of rotation speed and increase or decrease of power or torque. These industries include automotive industries, coal plants, steel plants industry, paper industry, mining industry, and others. They are used in conveyors, elevators, kilns, separators, cranes, and lubrication systems. Different types and sizes of gears such as spur gears, helical gears, worm gears, spiral gears, and many other kinds are manufactured in the country. This brings us to the end of the second of 5 videos on industry. Keep revising. You will surely get some questions from this video also in your forthcoming exams. Best wishes for your forthcoming exams. Please subscribe, like, share, and do press the bell icon for updates.